Class 9, exercise number 3.1, question number 1. Which of the following expressions are polynomials? If not, give reason. First of all, we want to know what is the polynomial. The polynomial means the variables having the whole number. The variables having the whole number, and then the variable should not be in the denominator with radical symbols, right? Let's see the first one. First Roman number is 1 by x square plus 3x minus 4. If it convert the x square to the numerator, we get x power minus 2 plus 3x minus 4. Here we have the negative value of power. Variables having the negative value, so it is not a polynomial, because we have the negative value. And then second one, if you multiply this, we get the value that is x cube minus x square. So there is no negative value, so it is a polynomial. Third one, here we have 1 by x. It can be written as in the form of x power minus 1 into x plus pi. So here we have the power as the negative number, so it is not polynomial. And then third Roman number is not a polynomial. Let's see the fourth Roman number. We have 1 divided by x power minus 2, 1 divided by x power minus 1. This can be written in the form of, in the denominator we have the variables power negative, means if I take the numerator means we get x square plus x power 1 plus 7. So it is a polynomial. So the variables having the whole number with positive value, right? So it is a polynomial. Roman number 5. Clearly it is in the standard form of the polynomial. It is the real number and then variable x square x. So polynomial. See the sixth Roman number, m square minus cube root of m. This cube root of m can be written as in the form of x power 1 by 3. The variables power should not be in fraction, so not polynomial. Let's see the second question in exercise number 3.1. Write the coefficient of x square and x in each of the following polynomial. We want to write the coefficient of x and x square. The coefficient of x square is, see here it is x square. What is the number accompany with that or multiply with that x square is the coefficient, that is 2 by 3. And then the coefficient of x is, with x is multiple with minus 3. You just take the symbol also, not only the coefficient symbol also you have to take. The coefficient of x is minus 3. Next Roman number 2, the coefficient of x square is the number, here we have x cube, here we have x square. The coefficient of x square with multiplication is minus 2. The coefficient of x square is multiplied with minus 2, that is minus 2 is the coefficient of x square. Then the coefficient of x is, x is here, is multiple with, x is multiplied with minus root 7. Minus root 7 is the coefficient. Not only we have to take the coefficient and then you have to take the symbol also, so minus root 7. And then third Roman number, coefficient of x square is, here it is x square is multiple with pi, so pi is the coefficient of x square. And then coefficient of x is, see x with, we have 1 is the coefficient of x, so with negative symbol, so minus 1 is the coefficient of x. And then fourth Roman number, the coefficient of x square is, here we have x square, root 3 is multiple with x square, right? There, so root 3 is the coefficient of x square, and then coefficient of x is root 2 with positive symbol, so root 2 is the answer. And then fifth Roman number, coefficient of of x square is, see here x square, what is the coefficient of x square means? That is 1. 1 is the coefficient of x square, so 1. The coefficient of x is multiple with minus 7 by 2. The coefficient of x is minus 7 by 2 is the answer.